There are many different jobs and reasons to rent a dumpster or waste disposal at your home. Whatever the reason, the dumpster should be there in your driveway for as long as you need it, but not longer than you want it. Let's face it, once the job is complete, don't you really just want that thing gone? Keep watching. Dumpster rental length. Most reputable rental dumpster bin companies will allow you to keep the bin for around 7 days, giving you plenty of time to fill it. The truth of the matter is that the average stay of a dumpster in a driveway is about 3.5 days. When you call to book your bin rental delivery, discuss this with your local dumpster consultant. As long as you're honest and upfront, it's not unlikely that a good company will give you too hard of a time if you need a day or two over the allotted 7 days. A good tip: book the dumpster rental on a Friday or Saturday, and you may get an additional weekend added to your rental. Here's the deal. The first time you rent a bin, the experience can be intimidating. After all, few homeowners make a habit of disposing of a huge amount of trash. But you can rest assured that most Been There Dump That franchises will work to make the process as painless as possible. While there might be some minor differences about how our franchisees run their operations, there are some universal truths. When you call to book your bin, there are a few things you should expect from a reputable dumpster rental company. They should answer the phone promptly, listen respectfully, and professionally suggest solutions. Your dumpster rental should arrive when promised and should take no longer than 24 hours within ordering the container. The vehicles, bins, and drivers should be clean. The bin should fit neatly in your driveway, saving labor and time and allowing you to keep parking your vehicle inside your garage. They should promptly retrieve bins when they're full. They should sweep your driveway area before they drive away, leaving your property as clean as it was before. There might be differences in how each Been There Dump That franchisee bills, but the service you receive will be top-notch at any of our locations. Some franchisees have all-in pricing, while others charge a fee for rental and then charge for dumping, usually per ton. There is no cost for pickup or drop-off. Remember that these companies make money by moving dumpsters from one job to the next, and they will have a finite number of bins in their inventory. If it turns out that you have the dumpster longer than expected it's important to communicate that to the company as soon as you can so they can make the arrangements needed. So remember, the bin is yours as long as you need it, but don't keep it longer than necessary because then you're preventing other homeowners from keeping their homes clean and beautiful. Think Been There Dump That is the right fit for your residential trash removal needs? Check out our website to find your nearest franchise location. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.